So you want to make money online but don't know where to start. A lot of us are stuck in this phase where we are constantly bombarded with TikTok videos. People telling us that dropshipping made them $50,000 last month, or I just made $10,000 from my Shopify store. But here's what they don't show you if they're actually legit. They don't show you the upfront cost, the cost of running ads, the endless trial and error, or even the grind happening behind the scenes. Yes, making money online is real, but not the way it's glamorized on social media. So in this video, I'm breaking down the truth about Shopify stores, the hidden challenges, and what it really takes to build a profitable online business in 2025. If you stick around until the end, there is absolutely no reason for your online business to not work. Let's get into it. You've probably heard it: start a Shopify store, launch some ads, and make passive income while you sleep. The dream is everywhere, and let's be honest, it sounds amazing. And honestly, the dream isn't fake. Financial freedom, building your own business, and being your own boss, it's all possible. But the road to that dream is not what you've been told. Building a Shopify business is not easy, and it's definitely not cheap. You're dealing with product cost, manufacturing, shipping challenges, ad spending that disappears fast if you don't know what you're doing. And the biggest trap? Chasing trends instead of building belief. Most people don't fail because the system doesn't work. They fail because they're selling products they don't care about, just hoping to cash out. Because here's the truth: there isn't a get-rich-easy button. It's a real business, and like any business, it takes time, effort, and strategy. But if you understand that upfront, you are already ahead of 90% of people who give up the moment it gets hard. So what actually makes your online business work? What separates the people who quit from the ones who win? It's not the slickest store design or some secret ad formula. And it's definitely not just throwing more money at your problem. It is the product, and most importantly, your belief in that product. If you don't believe in what you're selling, every dollar will feel like a risk, and every failure will feel like a reason to give up. And your customers can feel that energy too. You can't fake passion, and you shouldn't fake value. But when your product solves a real problem, when you believe in it, everything shifts. Take BlendJet for example. Someone started a portable blender Shopify store. It was a solution for busy people who wanted smoothies on the go. One product, one clear problem solved, and it exploded. Or the Comfy, a giant wearable blanket featured on Shark Tank. One cozy, relatable idea that turned into a multi-million-dollar business. These were not some generic dropshipping products. They were solutions backed by purpose and belief. Lastly, the product. So you're all fired up, you want to start, and you're ready to go. But here's a real question: how do you find the right product? This is where most beginners crash and burn. They jump in blind, pick some random product off Alibaba, throw together a store with a pretty logo and a flashy ads, and then nothing happens. Why? Because building a business on a product you don't care about is a fast track to burnout. You'll struggle to sell it, and you won't know how to market it. And when things get tough, and they will, you'll quit. The truth is, the game is already hard when you're doing everything right. Doing it with a weak product, that's just setting yourself up to fail. So how do you actually find a product that's worth selling? Start with these 3 questions. Would I personally buy this for myself? Does it solve a real pain point or a need? And can I talk about it for 10 minutes without sounding like a robot? Because when you believe in what you're selling, everything clicks. Your store will have a purpose, your marketing will speak with conviction, and your grind will feel like it's worth it. If you found this video helpful, remember to check out this video where I show you the top 5 business trends you can't ignore in 2025. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching everyone, and I will see you in the next one.